Hello, in this video we will discuss about the how to use your energy positive way. So you have energy throughout the day. So how to use positively. So let's begin to understand according to my opinion. So when you will be tired, go to sleep after complete the day. So in this way, the 9 o'clock, the PM, during the sleep time, the rest in night, and in this way, the sleep time is best in night. So when you sleep deep, your energy level will increase gradually for next day. So in this way, what should you do it? So in this way the device is away of light in the room, and silent room should be, and clean room which that provide the deep sleep due to the habit and behavioral activity of the person. So after this, when you will complete the 8 hours sleep, so you cover the 8 hours sleep in a day. In this way, that basically is the 5 a.m. you should awake, and you should get up in 5 a.m. and the 16 hours planning in a day most important. So let's begin to understand what should you do. So after this, a breakfast which that is required a little bit time, but we are not including the after breakfast the breakfast time, because you should need to eat or not. It depends on your own. So in this way, go to your job early for work or education and spend 6 hours. And in this way, the 15 minus 6 hour is equal to 9 hours. So the 9 hour will be left behind. So in this way, here is after the lunch in 2 p.m. In this way, you should eat all essential amino acids and branch chain amino acid containing food and fats, and consume for mid energy level drop to improve for next work. So it's depend on your own. For example, you can eat a supplement as well as other things and good food, and go to the exercise after take several minute rest. And you should work in the gym or go to the activity, for example sport. And in this way you should spend the 1 hours. So we can negative 1 hour is equal to 7.45 hours will be extra, which that is working for another. So the work hard for complete usage of energy. After this, get knowledge and homework if you are a student, or extra learning if you are adult and not go to the school while you are graduated. So you should keep learning and learning new things and new ideas, which that is contain 3 hours, and you can minus, and 4.545 hours will be left behind. And in this way, the take away from mobile, and you should don't use mobile during the learning. If you are learning from mobile, so you should keep learning from mobile and don't use another video. So on the other hand, here is you can see after this 4.45 hours will be left behind, which that will able to 2 hours spent in the family, your classmate, spend time with friends, outdoors. And after this you can complete and go to home. After when you will go to home, so you should take dinner. And take dinner, this dinner contain a little amount of fat and carbohydrate, but rich amount of protein, because you will sleep, and the degraded body will be in instruction phase. And in this way, the recovery phase require the protein for the synthesis of the muscle and the bone, so that during the deep sleep it will recover. And in this way, the 1 to 2 hours religious investment, for example pray, And in this way, when you will be tired, go to sleep and recover again. So this cycle should be complete in this manner. So here I am drawing the graph for understanding the vertical energy level, while the horizontal show the whole day from morning to midday to night. So in this night is the energy level will be low, while the morning energy level will be high. So you should learn more, work more, and try to take rest and recover your energy level when you will go into the night. So after this, I want to share several things you should improve yourself. For example, make a schedule to your daily life, save money, invest money, donate money, love to all, and don't hate to another person, and be a relaxed person and share peace. Get your hobby, work hard, and don't think about bad plan. Do religious activity and love to religious. So I hope you make sense. This is the use your energy positive way. So this is the best idea